enjoy it. Enjoy it.
Experience
Mhm.
to get to shoot in a long time. So,
Uh.
10 out of 10.